Join me as I dive into Boris Johnson's call to action and explore what we can do to help save Israel from destruction. As the former Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, Boris Johnson's recent statements regarding Israel have sent shockwaves across the globe. His call to action is not only a testament to his commitment to global peace and security but also a stark reminder of the dire situation that Israel finds itself in today. Israel has long been facing a multitude of challenges, from geopolitical tensions to internal divisions. The ongoing conflict with Palestine has led to a humanitarian crisis, with millions of people displaced and innocent lives lost. The situation is further complicated by the rise of extremist groups, who seek to exploit the instability for their own gain. Moreover, the internal divisions within Israel itself, between the left and the right, Jewish and Arab citizens, only exacerbate the issue. The lack of a unified stance on critical issues has led to gridlock and inaction, allowing the problems to fester and grow. The geopolitical landscape of the region is also fraught with tension. The rivalry between regional powers, such as Iran and Saudi Arabia, has led to a proxy war, with Israel caught in the middle. The threat of nuclear proliferation and the rise of extremist ideologies only add to the sense of unease. It is clear that the status quo is unsustainable, and something must be done to prevent the situation from spiraling out of control. The consequences of inaction are too dire to contemplate. A destabilized Israel would have far-reaching implications for global peace and security, leading to a rise in terrorism and extremism. The international community would be forced to intervene, leading to a potential conflict that would engulf the entire region. Throughout history, the fate of Israel has been inextricably linked with that of the global community. From the Balfour Declaration to the present day, the international community has played a crucial role in shaping Israel's destiny. It is imperative that we learn from the lessons of the past and take proactive steps to prevent the destruction of Israel. Boris Johnson's call to action is a clarion call to all nations to come together and address the pressing issues facing Israel. He advocates for a coordinated effort to strengthen Israel's defenses, while also working towards a peaceful resolution to the conflict with Palestine. He proposes increased economic aid, diplomatic pressure, and a renewed commitment to a two-state solution. These proposals have the potential to stabilize the region, reduce tensions, and pave the way for a lasting peace. Johnson's plan is not without its critics, and many have raised concerns about its feasibility. However, it is essential to acknowledge that doing nothing is not an option. The situation in Israel is a ticking time bomb, and it is only a matter of time before it blows. By taking proactive steps, we can reduce the risk of conflict and create a more stable and secure region. Johnson's proposals are not just a call to action for governments and policymakers, but also for ordinary citizens. We all have a role to play in shaping the future of Israel and the region. By engaging in informed discussions, raising awareness, and supporting initiatives that promote peace and understanding, we can make a difference. In conclusion, Boris Johnson's call to action is a timely reminder of the importance of addressing the challenges facing Israel. It is our collective responsibility to ensure that Israel is given the support it needs to thrive, not just for its own sake, but for the sake of global peace and security. So, what do you think about Boris Johnson's proposals? Share your thoughts in the comments below and be sure to check out our next video on the geopolitics of the Middle East.